friends, today we are going to show you how to solder two wire. First of all, the things we need is a soldering iron, then a soldering iron, next flux, a damp sponge, and two wires. First of all, we take two things, like this and this. Take the soldering iron, this is powered on. In a damp sponge. Now take some soldering iron and put it in the tip of the soldering iron. Now clean the tip. You can see that the soldering iron is screwed. Take the flux. We have to solder these two wires, so put them in the flux. You can see this. Take the soldering iron, put it in where you want to solder. Then use the soldering iron. Clean the tip after your use. You can see that the wire is soldered as much as you want. It is so powerful. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks.